Welcome to my new apartment. Stand right there. We're not showing it yet. Turn. Okay. So here's the entryway, and we're being a little quiet because we share a wall, but like Mom says it should be pretty thick, so we'll just like feel it out, you know? The first thing you have, wait, this is the front door. This is the front door. So then this is the closet, and this is already just with this one closet. More storage than we've had in our Seattle apartment. So we've got like a bar and like places for boxes. I think this would fit everything that we had in our storage room that we had in Seattle that we paid extra for, that we're not paying extra for now. So that's awesome. And now, come this way, and this is the main living room. We have a fireplace that we can't light fires in, but we can light candles. And the woman had a really good idea. I want to get like lanterns from like a pottery barn and like put them in there. And then over here we have built-ins, put really nice things on. No, you can come closer. You can also speak. Let's do the chat. And so we have storage down here. We've got storage in here. These slide open. Just amazing natural light. Show them the view from this window. Guys, that is the water. That is the road. You can see that. But then that is a bike path right there. As you know, Jack has taken up biking in Seattle. So he's very excited about this bike path, and he's very excited that it connects to hundreds of miles of bike paths around Maine. So I'm probably gonna be getting a bike. So if you follow me, let's go see the... Come on, Dad. He's not here right now. So this room is gonna be where Mom and Dad come over for dinner. I wasn't a fan of this wallpaper at first. It just looked a little old lady to me, but Mom has some ideas on how we can make it look younger. There's like these flags that I want to get. You guys probably know like the Be Kind flags that like Kristen Johns has on her wall. Very, very cute. And then I do love how these have shutter fixtures. Just allows a little more natural light, and it's just nicer than shades in here. I don't think in our apartment in Connecticut, which you guys never saw because we started YouTube in Connecticut like right when we were moving, I don't think we've ever had a dining room. We had like a little area in our Connecticut apartment that like was for a table. We never really used it. The fact that we have a dining space is crazy, and it's really exciting. I also thought, just from the photos on this apartment's site, I thought we had to choose one of these to be one of the 2 bedrooms. As you will see in a moment, we didn't. We have a lot of space. So next, I think is one of my favorite parts. I'm just blocking it for now. But not because of how insanely nice this kitchen is. It has a dishwasher. Okay, welcome to the kitchen. The production value behind this camera, guys, is top notch. Dad! Just watch Mom slowly take it away and pass it so that you guys didn't see our trash. Okay, where do we even want to start? Look at the floors. These are very nice. They're very clean. They're not necessarily my style. I'm not a gray person. I'm more of a happy yellow person, but if we had yellow floors, it'd be weird. So we don't want to do that. So then these countertops, very clean. Extremely clean. You think they're granite. They're granite, right? Yeah, there we go. They're just gonna be really easy to clean. We had countertops like this, just like with the shininess in our Seattle apartment. Very exciting. We do really like the color of these. I prefer white personally, but look how nice. We have this for like pots and pans and things, and then a separate drawer for our utensils, which is crazy. And look, they are
Toys.
The nicest running sink I've ever had. You take water pressure for granted, quite honestly, when you live in a city such as Seattle. The water pressure isn't as good. Oh. I can't believe it. That's a big girl sink. And then we're gonna put like plants and just like really cute fun things on here. I have a lot of stuff in Seattle that we could never have displayed because they just felt cluttery because it was very cluttered in the apartment. We have little vases, we've got little like decorative things. Now that we're moved back, you guys are become part of the vlogs. Like you're gonna have to get
My goal in life is getting Micro's mom.
So literally stainless steel appliances all over. You guys have probably already seen it, but stainless steel microwave comes with it. Mom, it comes with a microwave. We gave away our microwave like years ago. I know, it's very exciting. This is crazy. Okay, so a microwave stovetop that isn't slanted because it's electric, like it heats on the thing, so it doesn't have those things that can slant. I'll put a picture of it. And then the fridge opens all the way, you guys. The woman that is leasing this apartment to us gave us a bottle of champagne to pop, which is so nice. It's so nice. But I don't think we ever went into the fact that our fridge couldn't open in Seattle. The kitchen was literally so narrow in Seattle that it came out to about here. So when you were trying to open, I could open this drawer, but that drawer never opened. And this is the part I was talking about, guys. A flipping dishwasher. Look, I think I completely took having a dishwasher for granted when we lived in Connecticut, and then we didn't have one in Seattle. I was like, it won't be that bad. Hours, it'll save hours. Come on, Dad, let's go. We're now back into the living room. And then when I said I thought that we needed to make one of these a bedroom, because the photo only showed one other room that wasn't these main rooms, but there's two. So there are two other bedrooms. So come on here, down this hallway. So there's this one hallway here. And then immediately we are gonna make this room the office. For YouTube, for work, Jack will be working full-time remotely, so this will be the room. I need natural light to not be sad, which is the goal. I can make this a filming space. This is also where we will be streaming. So we'll have a desk dedicated to streaming. Jack will have a desk dedicated to work. And I mean, I can just work all over the apartment, but we can also have a desk for editing. It's just a space for creativity, inspiration, and buckling down and working. Each bedroom comes with a walk-in closet. So again, more storage than I've ever had, ever. This closet is crazy. This means, you guys, I can get, like, what are they called? The lights that have the umbrella things on them. Soft light? Umbrella lights? Soft lights, umbrella lights? They're super affordable, like on Amazon, and I couldn't get them because we legitimately didn't have a space to even get lights because they're pretty big. So to have like a space where we can put all of our creative stuff, endeavors, lighting, that'll be really nice, and I can film at night now, which is crazy. So let's go over here, and we come down this hallway into the second bedroom, which is our actual bedroom. My mom and I really like the color of the walls. Initially, I wanted to make the entire apartment, whenever we found one, white, just because it looks really clean in videos, it looks really nice, and you can like make it whatever you want. But we do like this color. It's also nice, got two windows, a lot of natural light, and yet again, I'm like expecting Dad to be like in one of these closets, like he snuck by me, he's like gonna pop out. Another closet, and if it's not enough space for our clothes, which this is already bigger than our Seattle closet, if it's not enough space, we have like an armoire where we can put space. We have space to get more drawers, so we can always get more drawers to put things in. We can have shoe racks, like but there's just way too much closet space. I don't even know what to do with right now. So this is yet more storage. I think what we're gonna do, it has this like weird wallpaper stuff, and it looked like the other tenants tried to like rip it up, and they actually ripped up the paint. So we'll just like get stuff to put on top of it. Does that sound good? Okay, sounds good. But that's really great. That's more storage than we even have towels and things like that. So when you walk in here, we go, and it is an all white for all intents and purposes. All intents and purposes. All intents and purposes. White bathroom. Guys, we threw away our shower lining because it was just old and dirty. And so on the list, in order to like of stuff to get at like Home Goods, I put shower lining on there, and we don't have to get shower lining because it is glass. This is crazy. It's subway tile inside all of this. Like, this is full on. And Jack already tested the water pressure, loves it, really great. Just the cleanest bathroom I've ever had. Oh, that's perfect. That's what we had in Seattle, and that's all like we needed for stuff. But if we need extra stuff, one, there's the storage unit that is right next to the bathroom that I just showed you, like the closet. We can also get, like if you look here, we can also get like a tiny little stand to like go in there and like put our toiletries and stuff in there. And then you come on back here, and we have come to the end of the empty apartment tour. Guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like up the video if you enjoy videos such as these. I do lifestyle, vlogging, which is lifestyle, Sims, challenges, all that stuff. My husband and I just moved across the country from Seattle, Washington to Maine if you're new and are just joining us. This is moving vlog, I want to say number 7. So if you want to see any of the moving process, me unpacking things, organizing, decorating, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Everyone, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up like I said, and I will see you in the next moving vlog. See you later, bye!